In this section, we will talk about ColorChooser widget. ColorChooser widget in Python Tkinter allows user to select color of their choice. It prompts a color box. So as in this image, you can see that as soon as the user clicked on this button which says color, there is a color box on this screen and the user can select the desired color. So let's go ahead and learn how we can create this one. So I have a basic template ready for creating a Python Tkinter application. So first of all, we have to import a ColorChooser library. So from Tkinter, import ColorChooser. After that, I have to create a variable. So let's give a variable name as C for color. And then I have to mention the name of the module, which is ColorChooser. And the function that we are using is asColor. After that, this function, you can use this function by default as well. You don't need to select any color. So let me show you what I mean. I remove the variable for now. Let's run it. Now here you can see that as soon as I have run the application, there is a color prompt, and the default color that is selected is this grayish color. So in case if you want to change this color, then you have to mention the color name over here. So I'll give a color name, let's say red. Now every time I'm going to run the application, the default color that will appear is red. Now how you can use this ColorChooser to change the color of your application. So let's go ahead and talk about it. So if I just print this module, so let me just assign a variable to it and print that variable. And let's say I have chosen green and clicked on OK. Now you can see that in our response we are getting hexacode and an RGB color. So this is RGB and this is hexacode, and all this information is inside a tuple. So inside a tuple, if we go with this slicing thing, so this means this is on index 0 and this is on index 1. So in case if we want to display just this just this hexacode, so what I can do, I can just do slicing over here. Just write 1 for this. This is on 0 and this is on 1. Let's run it once again. Let's say I choose this color. Now you can see I am getting only hexacode. So now this information can be used in any of the application to change the color. So let me show you how we can do that. I am going to create an application that I have shown on this PPT, this one. So all I need a label and a button. So first create a button. Also I need a label, so now I am going to create the function. Okay, the function name will be choose color. I need this information in the function. Now the label config, whatever the text color of label is, that will be changed to the one the user will select over here. So it's C, that means the response collected from here, and the index number will be 1. Also I want to give an additional text to it. Now let's go ahead and run the program. So I need to put this outside the box. Now let's go ahead and run the program. Now here you can see that there is a box, and the moment I have clicked on the color box, there is a color box prompted, and from this color box I can select any of the colors. So let's go ahead and select random color. So now the moment I will click on OK, now you can see that there is a text has appeared on the screen with the same color that we have selected, and it is also showing the color code of it. Let's try once again. Now you can see that the color of the text has been changed to the color that we have choose. So with this we have learned how to use ColorChooser in Python Tkinter.